Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the transformation of quadratic equations. The first article is to form a quadratic equation whose roots are the roots of the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 where a not equal to 0 with equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So let's start. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a not equal to 0. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a and product of the roots, that is c by a. Now, as the roots of the quadratic equation, that is, we want to find, they are opposite in sign but magnitudes are equal. So roots of the required quadratic equation are minus alpha and minus beta. In this case, sum of roots equals to minus alpha minus beta. So if you take common minus, it becomes alpha plus beta, and you know the value of alpha plus beta is minus of b by a, so minus b by a. So it becomes plus b by a product. Minus alpha into minus beta, so it becomes plus of alpha beta and the value is c by a. And so we got the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Therefore, the required equation is x square minus sum of roots whole into x plus product of roots. That equals to 0. Now we put the values. So this implies x square minus, now sum of the roots here, b by a. And product of the roots c by a. Finally, so this is equal to 0, and if we multiply each term by a, so we are getting ax square minus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is our required equation. So now if you observe, what is the change here? In the The given equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and we got here ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. So change in the coefficient of x. Here it is plus b and here it is minus. Now let us see an example. Now the question is here, form an equation whose roots are the roots of 3x square minus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0 with equal magnitude but opposite in sign. So let alpha and beta are the roots of 3x square minus 8x plus 5 is equals to 0. So clearly here a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 8 and c is equals to 5. So here alpha and beta, sum of roots minus of minus 8 by 3. So it becomes 8 by 3. And product of roots alpha beta, that is c by a, and here c is equals to 5, a is 3, so 5 by 3. Now, the roots of the required equation are respectively minus alpha and minus beta. Sum of roots minus of alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus of 8 by 3. And product alpha beta is equals to 5 by 3. Therefore, the equation is x square minus sum of roots whole into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. That is minus of minus 8 by 3 whole into x, and the product is 5 by 3. After multiplying each term by 3, we obtain 3x square plus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation. And we observe here also, see, the only change in the sign of coefficient of x, here it is minus 8, and we obtain the opposite sign plus 8. Next, article. To form an equation whose roots are proportional to the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. So here same, we are taking let roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0, b alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, alpha beta is equals to c by a. Let roots of the required equation b minus m alpha, m beta, so that they are proportional and the ratio is m is to 1. Sum of roots is equals to m alpha plus m beta, taking m common. Now the value of alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus of mb by a, and product of roots m alpha into m beta, so it becomes m square alpha beta equals to m square c by a. Therefore, record equation x square minus sum of roots, so minus of mb by a, and the product of roots m square c by a is equals to 0, so multiplied so this implies ax square plus mbx plus m square c is equals to 0. So here we are giving an illustration of that article. So you are given the roots with thrice of the given equation. So alpha plus beta of this, let alpha beta are roots of 3x square minus 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here alpha plus beta is equals to 5 by 3, and alpha beta is equals to minus 1 by 3. Let roots of required equation be 3 alpha and 3 beta. The sum 3 alpha plus 3 beta is equal to thrice of alpha plus beta. Put the value of 5 by 3, so it becomes 5. And product of roots 3 alpha into 3 beta, 3 is a 9 alpha beta. So 9 into minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to minus 3. Therefore, record equation is x square minus sum of the roots, that is minus 5x, and plus product of the roots, that is minus 3. equals to 0, or x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.